How to fix the Google Maps link is not opening in WhatsApp. So if you're trying to open up a Google Maps link and you're getting this error message, I'll show you two ways on how to go and solve this issue. So the first thing you can do is just go and open up the settings on your phone like this. Now scroll down the page and click on General, click on iPhone Storage, and then you'll need to scroll down to WhatsApp and click on this. You'll have the option to offload app, click on this. Now select Offload App and click on Offload. You can then wait a couple of seconds and you'll have the option to reinstall app, and then you can just go and reinstall WhatsApp. Once it's finished reinstalling, open up the WhatsApp application. You can then head over to the conversation with the Google Maps link in. And what you can do is just hold your finger down on the link that you're trying to open. You could then select Open in Chrome. Now just make sure you have the Chrome browser already installed on your phone. Now click on Continue, and this will take you directly over to the Google Maps without the error message.